So it's pretty easy to clean these aluminum drive shafts so you can scrap them. You basically just need to cut off these tabs here. That way you can get rid of the steel, just like most other scrap. You gotta remove the steel, so you basically just want to get a Sawzall or a cut-off wheel and one side. And just because that fell off, there's still steel in here, so there's still tabs still has to get cut off. So this piece also has to come out. Even if the universal joint falls out of the end of the drive shaft, you still have to cut this off because you have to get this piece of steel out. So unless it falls out when you're cutting it, this tab has to come out. Otherwise, you'll be contaminated with steel. Just missed this one. It kind of popped, like I was talking about there, where you went into that and then it just popped off and freed everything up. But that doesn't always happen. Still got to get that off though, because that is steel. You could maybe cut into there and then cut into there, but it's, I mean, try to force this out, but it's just not worth it. This is the easiest way to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video or it helped you out. If it did, please like this video, comment to let me know, share it with someone else to help them out, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate it.